thank you so much. And you know, they say कि you don't choose where you're born, you don't choose where you die, you don't choose your family, but I get to choose my family this time around, and there couldn't have been a better one.
Nimra, thank you so much. What a beautiful thing to say. I heard my friends from the press say that they want a little more light. Would you kindly raise the house lights a little bit for Nimra? Thank you so much. I hope you're okay now. Thank you, Nimrat, for your patience. That is absolutely lovely. Also, aren't we all just fans of Rajan DK? But मुझे आपसे पूछना है कि यार आप श्रीकांत और उसके फैमिली के पीछे क्यों पड़ी हैं? प्लीज बता दीजिए.
You know, मैं आपको बहुत कुछ बताना चाहती हूँ रोहिणी एक्चुअली. एंड लास्ट मैंने सुना शायद श्रीकांत तिवारी शायद मीरा रोड के आसपास कहीं है, ऐसा मैंने सुना बैक स्टेज. बट अगर मैंने आपको उनकी लोकेशन बता दी तो मुझे शायद आपको मारना पड़ेगा. एंड देयर बी टू मेनी स्पॉयलर्स एंड आई डोंट वांट टू डू दैट.
So I guess you will find Shrikant one way or another, है ना?
No comments.
No comments.
Yes.
She never gives me anything.
No.
आप कोशिश तो कर रही हैं श्रीकांत तिवारी
मैं
को
कोशिश कर रही हूँ. You know, I've got my eyes everywhere and I always get what I'm looking for.
She's got her eyes What? You literally have your... इनका किया कराया आप देख रहे हैं what's happening, देख रहे हैं आप इतनी ज़्यादा surveillance. I have no doubt, Nimrat, that you or Meera, as I said, would be able to find Shrikant. Thank you so much for joining us once again. And please would you join us from the house. Thank you. A round of applause for the amazing Nimrat Kaur, please. Thank you. Jaideep.
Hello everyone.
मैं आपको क्या कहूँ, जयदीप कहूँ कि रुकमा कहूँ?
जो आपका मन करे.
क्या बात है. Thank you so much. I don't know how you do it, Jaideep, but for every role and every character you play, the audience comes to love you. आपको लगता है कि रुकमा will also make that place in the hearts of fans, despite being the antagonist, या जो दिख रहा है, and despite facing off against Shrikant Tiwari.
I mean, I'm really grateful, Rajan DK and my home Prime. What can anybody ask? You know, starting this year with Patal Lok and adding the family man, Rajan DK and one and only Manoj Bhai. I can't ask more. Thank you so much.
You know, this is amazing. Universes colliding. He said it. He said Patal Lok, yeah, all those fans, all that love, and now he's part of one of our favorite shows, The Family Man. बात करते हैं. हमने मीरा से भी वही सवाल पूछा जो मैं आपसे पूछने वाली हूँ. आप श्रीकांत तिवारी के पीछे क्यों पड़े हो सर?
थोड़ा पर्सनल हो गया मामला. देखो, स्पॉयलर्स तो नहीं बता सकता मैं, पर मैं आपको इतना बता सकता हूँ कि श्रीकांत की आदत है, सबके काम में टांग अड़ाने की, फैमिली में, बच्चों के काम में, सबके काम में टांग अड़ाने की आदत है. तो अब उसके काम में मैं टांग अड़ा रहा हूँ. देखते हैं कहाँ तक भागेगा.
क्या बात है. तो आप उसको ढूंढ के ही निकालोगे ये मुझे लग रहा है. मे बी आई शुड थैंक यू बिकॉज हम सब भी 4 सालों से श्रीकांत को ढूंढने की ही कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अब तक हमें कोई लक नहीं. For right now, thank you so much for joining us on the stage. Give it up for Jaideep Malawat. मनोज जी, या मैं कहूँ श्रीकांत तिवारी, इतना वक्त क्यों लग गया आपको आने में?
चाहता था कि आजी क्या बोला जी? ठीक है. जोर से नहीं बोलोगे तो क्या ही मैं बात करूँ जी. वक्त तड़पाने में जितना मजा आता है ना.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
जब आपको पता है कि आग दोनों तरफ लगी हुई है तो थोड़ा तड़पा करके पानी देने में ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है. लेकिन जब हम आए हैं तो आशा करते हैं कि आपको पूरा मटके का पानी इस बार पिलाएंगे.
क्या बात है. This is amazing. Honestly, हम सब ने आपको as श्रीकांत तिवारी बहुत मिस किया. मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी, how does it feel to be श्रीकांत तिवारी again?
I personally love playing this character, also because it has everything about a human being, all the faults, all the advantages and disadvantages of every human being. I think इसीलिए लोग ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं. कि ये श्रीकांत तिवारी हर किसी के पिता के जैसा भी लगता है, हर किसी के पति के जैसा भी लगता है, और हर किसी के दोस्त के जैसा भी लगता है, और हर किसी का कंपेनियन, हर किसी का कुलीग भी लगता है. So I think Shrikant Tiwari is also any guy who is traveling in the metro here, or any guy who is going in the car, in the traffic. I think that's the biggest strength of the character.
I completely agree with you. I'm very curious कि season 1 में आप राजी को ट्रैक करते हैं, लेकिन इस बार आप दौड़ रहे हैं और रुकमा जो है वो आपके पीछे है. So how does it feel to have those roles reversed?
So that, I mean, as an actor, I would say that this time all those advantages that one had, you know, as an actor. When I was playing Shrikant Tiwari, who was always on top of things. Here, you know, keeping the Shrikant Tiwari alive in me, but at the same time, who is somebody who is really not on top of the game.
Oh my God, yes.
He's losing all the time. And the opponent are far many, and far more stronger this
I
time.
know, एक श्रीकांत तिवारी के पीछे बहुत सारे लोग पड़े हैं और रहेंगे.
बट ह्यूमर नहीं आता है, क्योंकि श्रीकांत तिवारी बनारस का आदमी है.
क्या बात है, बिल्कुल. No, seriously, he's the most loved spy, courageously facing dangers and his enemies. लेकिन एक छोटी सी व्यवस्था कि मैं कर लूँ आज स्टेज पर, मेरे इतने सारे भाई बहन हैं मीडिया के, और उनके सामने आपके जो नेमेसिस हैं, रुकमा को बुला दिया जाए स्टेज पर एक, जिसे कहते हैं फेस ऑफ के लिए. Would you guys like to see that? You can ask for it. You can. I'm giving it to you. Sourcing. Okay. आप यही रहिए. And let's get on Rukma for the face off.
Thank you.
बहुत लगा था कि बहुत इंटेंस हो जाएगा, लेकिन ये जो मोहब्बत है आप दूसरों के बीच में, I mean, मैं कौन होती उसके बीच आने वाली. Thank you so much guys. Both of you please stay with us on stage. बाकी का जो है वो आप शो पर देख लीजिए. I'd like the two of you to kindly step a little forward for me. Thank you so much. And इनके साथ साथ let's actually call on the entire family of the family man. सबसे पहले of course निखिल, राज, DK, शायद तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए दोस्तों. निम्रत, along with Suman Kumar, Tushar Seth, who've joined season 2. वाह. अगर श्रीकांत जो है वो, या फिर मनोज जी जो है, अगर वो श्रीकांत जैसे सिचुएशन में होते तो वो रुकमा जैसे थ्रेट को कैसे हैंडल करते?
दोस्त बना लेता.
देख लिया हमने.
आप यू फॉरगेटिंग दैट आई एम आल्सो अ बिहारी. we use brain most of the time, more than the broad.
बिल्कुल. Thank you for that, guys. I don't expect any serious answers, and let's keep it that way, okay? जयदीप साहब, मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ आपके हाथ में माइक है. Everything about रुकमा लुक्स के लिए कोई नोट्स दिए थे, क्या कहा था आपसे कि ये कैसा आदमी है?
बहुत सारी बातों के साथ एक जो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ वो ये थी कि रुकमा is a detached guy. He cannot, emotionally attached नहीं हो सकता किसी भी चीज़ से. और होता ये है कि वो एक्चुअली हो जाता है किसी चीज़ से, अपनी फैमिली से, या जो भी उसकी लाइफ में हो रहा है. एंड somehow he's attached to श्रीकांत also now. आप उसका कुछ नहीं किया जा सकता. बट वो स्टार्ट जो है वो इस तरह इंसान है, who doesn't care for anything.
Wow.
Anything in the world.
Those are the most dangerous guys. Ask me. Oh, okay, don't ask me. That's very personal. Let's move ahead. Let's go to Raj. Raj, I hope you have a mic with you. Thank you so much.
Shrikant is getting too tough to handle. So, we had Musa in the first, Musa,
Yes.
Sajid. There was all a nexus, and then we had Raji and the whole the group. This time we really had to crack our brains to come up with this antagonist. We didn't realize that we were creating big antagonists each time. I didn't realize we were doing Doom each time. But then we realized that we better have something that's very formidable for Srikanth and the team. And we thought of Beauty and the Brains, or like Beauty and Brawn. Like Brains and Brawn, sorry, I got it right. Brains and Brawn. So I thought that was a good split between them in terms of how somebody can trap an intelligence unit, an intelligence agent. So yeah, that was the thought behind it.
Absolutely. And when you said brains, of course, that's referring to Nimrod's character, Meera. Nimrod, let me start off by saying, I remember you playing this negative character. Be back to that for a second, but I want to ask you how Meera is different from all of those amazing characters you've played in the past.
You know, there's nothing more fun than playing evil, and you don't get to go to jail for it. That's the best part. You know, you can do what you want, and in their universe, you know, you can really do what you want and get away with murder, plotting, and have a great wardrobe while you do it.
Wow.
And do it in high heels with flamboyance and sex appeal, and Meera is all about that. So I find her to be like, you know, evil, but in couture.
Love it, love it.
It's a girl's dream. It's been a dream to work.
Evil in couture. I absolutely love that. DK, I hope you have a mic. Srikanth, of course, has changed a lot since season 1. The question to you is, how did you evolve his world and character in this season? Because you still got to keep it fresh and you still got to keep it relatable.
I mean, as you can see, everybody gets older,
Yes.
right? I mean, somehow Manoj managed to stay the same age
Yes.
from season 1, but everybody else gets older. The kids are getting older, everybody's getting older. So we had to adapt to that as well. And see, from a story perspective, we already knew we had at least we were relying on Manoj to have a completely different way of playing it by making him the target instead of the one that is going after somebody. So that automatically, you know, changed a lot for him. Having said that, the kids have grown up. So we thought it is time for our curve now to know the secret.
Whoa.
That's what the trailer starts with.
True.
And so yeah, I mean, we in reality, we had to adapt with, you know, that we are in a season 3. We need to bring new, more mature angles to the same characters, but at the core of it is to the same characters, but we still need to explore a new dimension. And to do that, you put them in a new situation that they've never been in. Be it the family also, we put them literally in danger in the season. So, and without anybody else to protect them. So they have to explore new parts of their personality that they never knew existed.
So true.
So I guess that's one way of kind of taking the character forward.
Yeah, the family and the family man's really cracking this season, man, and I'm absolutely loving that. So, thank you so much. A round of applause for that answer. I think it's not easy to do that, really. Nikhil, okay, now I want my audience to, you know, just give me a little love when I take the name of a show that we all love, okay? The Family Man, okay? Patalok, Made in Heaven, Sudal the Vortex, Panchayat. सारे आप ही के बच्चे हैं sir, and they've returned for multiple seasons. You've also announced new seasons for Call Me Bay, Dupaiya, Call Me Bay, yeah, okay. And my personal favorite, and this is a revelation, The Traitors. मैं मुझे होना चाहिए उस शो पर लेकिन अगली बार. But what's the secret between Prime Video's consistent success in achieving what many other platforms can only dream of, darling?
I think one person who's responsible for that is Saira, who's sitting here.
Hey!
I think when a show is made and we are thinking about taking a new season, we ask ourselves 2 questions: whether the first show was universally loved, did it become someone's favorite story, and second, does the new season genuinely have a story to tell, a character arc? And unless both those things are met, we don't sort of go ahead and, you know, just to milk the IP, you know, launch a new season. इतने सारे shows बन रहे हैं, इतना सारा content है, उसमें to deliver success becomes harder and harder. So these two things are very important. It also means that between two seasons, it takes us time to get the writing extremely perfect, and a lot of times our viewers are complaining that there's too much gap between seasons, but that's what it takes. And I think there's also a softer aspect that people don't talk about, which is the creative culture of an organization and the spirit of collaboration with which we work with our partners. That's one huge reason why some of the country's best creators, including Raj and DK, keep coming back to us with their best stories season after season and with new seasons. It's a soft thing, but I can tell you it makes a huge difference to the quality of stories that come out.
Well, thank you so much for sharing that. I'm going to actually add on to that question.
Crimes Like Family, that's where we started, and the members keep rotating, but the family is the same.
Wow.
And Nikhil and Saira have been like rock strong behind us, letting us do what we want, and we get a lot of independence playground to play with. It's been a great journey. I mean, we've had like 3-4 shows, and we've got another one coming up, and it's been an unbelievable journey, right? Saira, you like what I said? No? So yeah, more than that, I just want to take a second to talk about the bigger the core family. Suman's been there from the beginning as we created. So there's a lot of chemistry between us, and Sumit has been there since the beginning, since 3 to Family Man. So we've come a very long way, and we started adding our debut director Tushar. And our very important member Cheshta, our associate director. So these are extremely strong pillars. Am I missing anyone? And of course, a brilliant cast. Darshan, my favorite, has been there forever.
Yes.
And Vipin, of course, looking very dashing today. Seema ji we were just very honored that she was part of this, and haven't been a more graceful, a leader in a show. So, and Dalip ji as colorful and cool as ever. And so glad to have them. And we have, who else is I can see? And of course, we discovered Harman at our friends.
We have new writers on our writing room. Sudesh, Nikhil Gonzalez.
It took 6 of us to write this show. So, and 1, 2, 3, 4 directors to make it. So yeah, I just want to thank the cast, an incredible cast and crew that's been in this very long journey.
Crew member sitting there, Jay Charola, the DOP, Parishit, production designer, Neha, costume designer, Sumit, editor. Sumit has been editing from his childhood with us only. Sumit.
Yeah, Sumit was born in D2R, and we have Neha sitting there, who's been with us for a long time now. Balance, our new cast member, that's joined brilliant job in the show. Yeah, and been missing. Sorry, who? Parichet just DK bursting, love it,
Parichet. He's done two of our bigger shows with Amazon as well. Farzi and Family Man. So I mean, what more can I say?
And we're missing.
And other shows that offer a platform whose name shall not be spoken here.
Thank you. I think it's lovely. I think I get the stream. Priyamani, I want to take this to you, and I'm so excited that you get to do so much this time, right? Because, of course, you're on the actually get a piece of that slick action for yourselves to do, man.
I think they're the best ones to
Answer that.
I've been telling them right from the start कि मुझे भी action दो, because
है ना?
I have dabbled in a bit of action before. I have been telling them please give me some action, but yeah, you can see very little of it.
Okay.
Yeah, and I won't reveal more.
She's not going to give it. This is Priyamani and me today on stage. I ask question, Priyamani deflects. Good job. Thank you. Suman, I'm going to come to you at this point. I do want to ask you that there was so much love. Some things in season 1 and 2, because you've been part of this journey, that fans may not have decoded even today. So is there something that you want to drop today at this trailer launch from seasons 1 and 2 that you think they didn't decode?
I can't hear you. I didn't get the question. It's a
Is
long
there,
question.
is there an Easter egg from the previous seasons that they
Uh-huh.
might not have decoded that you want to reveal today?
Yeah, I don't think the fans have decoded what happened in Lonavala.
Yeah, no? Yeah, exactly. Are you gonna?
Yeah.
He's not. He's
Yeah,
not.
that's it. I think fans are smart enough to see through. Am I supposed to say something? You should have briefed me. I don't know.
You're supposed to
Well,
say what
we're
happened
having
in
a lot of
Lonavala.
fun. No.
You're briefed to say exactly what happened in Lonavala. Spill
What
the
happened?
beans.
What happened in Lonavala? I would love to share with you guys, but unfortunately, that story will have to wait. Maybe if there is a subsequent season, Sahira, you're.
Or if there is, will there be a spin-off, Suman?
If there is a subsequent season, we choose to reveal what happened in Lonavala in graphic detail.
I would love that.
That's a good teaser for that season.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, just call it Family Man Lonavala edition, and that's like a slice. But thank you so much. I expected just that. That was the brief. Thank you so much. Suman and Tushar. Yes, I want to ask both of you, how difficult was it for you all to actually step into directing this season?
Well, we worked on season 2 as well, so it was, we know the world, we know the universe, there's a certain style to it, so yeah, wasn't as difficult to step into this team and into this family.
Well, thank you. Thank you. So you say it's not difficult, so it was very easy for you. Please give me a different answer. No, you did okay. You have to give me a different answer.
See, I think the pressure is more as a writer. You conveniently did not talk about writing at all. That's okay. But the pressure is more because I'm already losing my mind over how we're going to skin season 4. But the point is, the pressure as a writer was immense. And because I've been in the best film school from season 1 to Farzi, I have learned a lot from them. I've seen them from the best seat in the room to know how they take shots, how they don't compromise, how they don't settle for the average. They're always looking to punch way up. And also, by the time I came around for season 3, I had already directed a film in Tamil. So, and it is difficult. Direction is not easy. Tushar has been, in the direction department for ages. So for him, it is a natural progression. But for someone like me who's just done one film, there was a lot of pressure, especially when you have you said Rajan DK love me. You have to see me and DK. I'm just saying, okay, because we don't date. It's uncompromising. The schedules are tight. You know the deal. So the pressure to make sure that we are at least 90% there.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Of course. Yeah. Thank you so
But
much.
I would like to say that writing is still the biggest pressure, and you will have to agree, Rajan DK.
Well, a man says that writing is the big. Is there a secret to that?
There is no secret to that. I think it all started with, I remember in a cafe, me and Raj and DK met. I think it was 2017 or 18 when the show was being developed, and I think they told me this log line, or not even a log line, this line that I think if I'm not wrong, it was he's a world-class spy and a middle-class guy, and that identification with the character, I think is supreme for a writer. Like, how do you identify within yourself who's the protagonist, and that middle-class guy who happens to be, or who's now doing, is a world-class spy. That really nailed it for me. And I think the first sequence that we did, where he's going through this first day of his life, and he talks to his kids, and he's dropping them to the school, and they are like कि तुम बड़े एहसान फरामोश हो कि तुम मेरे को बोल रहे हो कि गाड़ी कैसी है, एंड दैट लाइन, आई थिंक वो आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऐसा हुआ था कि वो जो एक लाइन बोलता है वो आई थिंक हर किसी ने सुनी होगी वो लाइन, कि जहाँ पर वो बोलते हैं कि ही सेज कि तुमको कदर नहीं है, कि जब मैं स्कूल जाता था तो मैं साइकिल पे जाता था और मेरे दादाजी नदी, एंड दे कंप्लीट द लाइन और दादाजी नदी पार करके. So I think that line has been told to every kid in this country. So that identification helped me. Then when he finally gets done with the whole dropping, he's so tired that he just utters those lines which has become iconic now. कि आ रहा हूँ dash dash dash. So because it's the common man's frustration, and once you identify with that, everything becomes it just naturally flows because you are now feeling the character. And the second thing which people say that gali, like for me it is not that. It is, I think gali एक अलंकार है भाषा का. तो और जब तक उसको आप अलंकार की तरह देखते हो तब तक वो साउंड नहीं करता है बिल्कुल ऑफ. जैसे ही आप उसको देखते हो कि ये है तो फिर वो आपकी राइटिंग में भी झलकेगा कि यार ये अखर रहा है कानों को, लेकिन कभी वो अखरता नहीं है क्योंकि वो अलंकार की तरह इस्तेमाल किया हुआ है. तो आई थिंक दीज आर द फंडामेंटल्स दैट आई हैव kept in mind while writing it, and rest is it's a great teamwork, and to have actors and have creators who have created this character, it's been a great journey.
No, thank you so much. I really appreciate you sharing those insights. A round of applause for our writers again. Thank you. We're going to take this of course to Sharib. Sharib, hi. कोई मतलब कुछ नहीं पूछ सकती तुमसे कभी भी श्रीकांत तिवारी के बारे में ऐसा हो तो माशाल्लाह you will always be of course in good hands. So सबसे पहले तो कहूँगी that ये दोस्ती seriously I mean नजर ना लगे Alright. मुझे आपसे पूछना है कि ये जो कैरेक्टर है जेके का वो इतना रिलेटेबल है क्योंकि ऐसा दोस्त हम सबको चाहिए. तो मुझे बताइए जब आप इस जेके के किरदार में आते हो आप क्या करते हो to make sure कि भाई बिलीवेबल भी होना है और अपने दोस्त को हमेशा प्रोटेक्ट करना है.
दो चीज़ें हैं. सबसे पहले तो मैं एक डायलॉग भी याद रखता हूँ तो मैं उस कैरेक्टर में आ जाता हूँ.
क्या बात
कि भाई हम लोग गरीब आदमी हैं, तुम्हारे ब्रंच में हमारे महीने भर का लंच आ जाएगा.
क्या बात है. बिल्कुल.
और दूसरी चीज़ सुमन सुमित इन लोगों ने मिलके इतना बढ़िया किरदार लिखा राज एंड डीके. और मतलब आई ऑलवेज टोल्ड दिस बट आई कांट रियली थैंक देम इनफ फॉर गिविंग मी जेके बिकॉज जेके चेंज्ड माई लाइफ. एंड जो क्या किरदार आपकी ज़िंदगी बदल सकता है, बदल देता है, उसको आप भूल नहीं सकते, फिर वो आपके अंदर रच बस जाता है. तो मेरे लिए डिफ़िकल्टी होता है जेके के किरदार में आना और इट इज़ ऑल थैंक्स टू द क्रिएटर्स एंड मनोज सर, प्रिया. मतलब हम सब ने मिलके अगर मनोज सर मुझे वो स्पेस नहीं देते तो मैं जेके कभी जेके नहीं बन पाता. तो थैंक यू सो मच.
बस आपके स्वयंवर का इंतजार रहेगा इस सीजन.
हाँ यार प्रॉमिस.
आपको तो पता है श्रीकांत तिवारी के प्रॉमिसेस कितने सच निकलते हैं.
उसी का डर है मुझे.
Well, thank you so much each of you for taking and answering my questions. लेकिन अब we're gonna come to you guys for your questions. You know the drill. A mic will come to you if you raise your hand to answer your questions. Can we start the media Q&A, please? And we have a hand up already. She's got a mic already. Please go, ma'am. Tell us your name first.
Hi, I'm Pranel from Bollywood Bubble. My question is to Nikhil. Nikhil,
would you stand up for us?
Entertained us with numerous returned seasons as well as new shows. How do you decide to balance it? Like, how do you decide if we deserve a recurring season or a new show? How difficult is that?
I'm trying to find the right analogy. It's like, when you're hanging out with your best friends, you have certain moments and tasks and rituals that give you comfort. Gossiping together, going for a drive, having tea or whatever together. And then with those same friends, you also want to go for new experiences that you've not had. It's the same for us, I think. Returning IP gives you that familiarity. These are characters and worlds that people love, and they look forward to spending more time, seeing where their journey has gone. But at the same time, they also want to see new experiences, and that's why the new IP comes into play, where you try and offer variety. That's the instinct. Sometimes we're able to get it completely right, sometimes not, but that's the nature of the creative business. Till now, we've been fortunate.
I have a follow-up to that. In 2026, what is Prime giving us? More new season, more recurring seasons? What are we going to be entertained to?
Just like every year, I think a good mix of returning seasons and a lot of new IP, and one big foray for next year is also a lot more original movies. So that's really what our 26 lineup looks like. We'll talk in December next year and you tell me if you liked it or not.
Well, thank you so much for your question and thank you, Nikhil, for giving us the answer. Can I look around and ask who?
What is the signature thing which you keep in mind, both of you, which creates it unique for the audience out there?
Idea is to not make the same thing again. Like once the Family Man worked so well initially, others were asking us to go another kind of Family Man, but the idea was to not go there at all. So same thing, you make one horror comedy and then you want many more, so not go there. Trying to, because at the end of it, we were engineers in past lives and we left all that to come and make unique content. And if I were to do the same thing over and over, I'm not doing the right thing. So the idea is, that's why it takes so much from us to make a subsequent season. I'd rather make a new show, but this is for the fans, it's for the world, it's for the characters that we all love, that you have a responsibility towards another season. But left up to us, we'll be making another new story. And that's what we live for, is to do something new each time, otherwise monotony is death.
Thank you so much. I hope that is good for you. Can we have the next question?
Surprising your audience with a crossover at Chalamsa and the phone call between Srikanth and Michael in Farzi. Can we expect any crossover happening here in Family Man?
How can we possibly answer that?
Come on, you have to give us something.
See, that is something it's for you to watch and see what. We've already established that Farzi and Family Man are part of a universe. So beyond that, some Amazon executives sitting there are shaking their heads and making signs like. So yeah.
But the problem is DK is blushing too much and it's giving away stuff. So we stop there.
You need to help me, Rohini.
Thank you, Abira. You went straight for the kill. Great question, and I hope you got a great answer. Let's move on and then have our next. Oh man. Okay. Thank you so much. So Mike is with you.
I forgot we have fans back there, don't we?
Yes.
Hi, this is Karthik from the New Indian Express.
Could you hold your mic closer?
Yeah.
And could you say it louder? Thank you.
Hi, this is Karthik from the New Indian Express. My question is to Raj and DK. Just now Manoj sir was talking about that how Srikanth is from Varanasi. Story of Srikanth, like any spy show that's happening in Varanasi.
Only VFX can make me that young, darling.
The way Manoj is aging, I am waiting for him to age 5 more years backwards.
No, but Manoj is on a very strict regimen, like a biohacking anti-aging regimen. And he's going to age backwards, and Priyamani is already there. So we will slowly go back and make a prequel. But he would not let us cast another actor in a prequel otherwise, right?
You don't want to be buried alive.
Well, that was a really fun question.
But that's a good idea though, that's a good idea. You've just given them an idea to make something without me. Okay.
They can digitally make you, like you are young of course,
but seriously, one of the ideas as we were creating The Family Man was not to have a flashback. There is no backstory for Srikanth Tiwari. It was a conscious choice not to even go there because you've seen it all before. So we wanted a format where we see what we see right now and we discover the man and the family and the characters as you take the journey with the series, than cutting back to show how, what, when.
Well, thank you so much for your question, and I hope you got an answer. Our next question.
Rohini,
it's right there.
Really like what we saw. Rajaniki, my question is to you guys. It's been 4 years that we waited for The Family Man, right? Now, what happens in the OTT space is every week there is a new release that happens. Even for us as audience, it takes a while to get, oh, this is back. Was there ever a fear for you guys as creators? Yaar, 4 saal hue hai, are the audience going to even remember what happened?
Did Saira and Nikhil tell you to ask this question?
No. This is my question. So why did you take 4 years?
No, I mean, it just took so long because I mean, like he was saying, we made Farzi in between, we made a few other things, but we also knew that, sometimes the fact that after 4 years people are still excited and people are waiting for it, I think that's a good sign. And so, hopefully the wait is worth it, but I think Manoj said when he came in, thoda wait kara ke, what did you say that line? Yeah. So I'm thinking I think the excitement is still fresh, and I do understand that you might have forgotten. That's why we even made a recap video for those of you who don't want to watch the whole season again, so that you can catch up very quickly and come and watch the season.
Fair. Also, I love what you guys did with Stree, right? The horror comedy universe. Typically, we would love that.
Yeah, when we went to Manoj initially and said this is actually a comedy too, we realized he hadn't done comedy per se. But see how he's excelling in any genre you put him in. So yes, horror, we have to take him. Just we need to find a new angle to it, to induce or infuse a unique touch. If we go back to horror, I would love to do it. I mean, we want to take on other genres as well. I think we have a nice angle now that we want to put in and come back to the big screen. So yeah, we have a couple of ideas brewing for next year.
Perfect, let's go.
Nice. All of them asking the best questions today.
Yeah.
All right.
Also, just for the heck of it, Rohini, can we have Mike there with the young ones? They want to say something.
Yeah, we're going to take the mic there, please.
Can you get the mic there? Yeah.
There's a hand raised, and would you kindly give it to him?
Hello, hi, I'm Hiral Sidhu, and I wanted to ask sir a question, Manoj sir. As an actor, how does it feel to see yourself in 3 different genres in 1 year? There's Jugnauva, there's Zende, and now Family Man.
Right. That's a very good. At least somebody asked me a question.
Some fangirl.
Yeah, that's what I'm passionate about. That's what gives me a kick, just being an actor. When you can dabble with different genre and try to excel in each and everything that you're doing, and with different directors who have very, very different opinion about cinema and direction. So it's a challenge for an actor to fit into all of these interpretations and opinions and come out feeling happy that you've given your best and you've done well. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your question. Hands are raised and hope mics are in. Yes,
hello
mic is
Manoj
with
sir.
you.
Hi sir. Sir, I am a biggest fan of you, both of you. I have watched a lot of Telugu cinema, and I have first seen you in Happy movie with Allu Arjun sir, and I am a biggest fan for that.
Vasara.
Yes sir, I literally copied that dance form, sir. And especially I have a question for both of you. आपका कोई upcoming Tollywood में ऐसे projects क्या आ रहे हैं क्या सर? आप दोनों में Tollywood और South cinema में?
I was just shooting in Hyderabad till last night, and there were many Telugu directors who met me. As soon as I have something really interesting, exciting, till then there are Telugu directors who are making things in Hindi. I'll work with them.
Thank you so much for your
And
question.
with you, Priya Madam, too. You are आपको भी फिल्म आ रही है?
तेलुगु में हाँ अभी तो शुरू होगी from thank you so much for somebody asked me also question thank you
Ma'am, I know you since Drona ma'am, the film Drona.
yeah
From Drona, I'm a biggest fan of you there.
you didn't get any other film to be a fan of I have so many other films on my roster man and you're saying only that one film
Yamadonga also ma'am.
see you should have started off with that first but thank you so much but yes I will be starting a Telugu film very soon in December
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
and also if any other South fans are there I have a film with Talapati Vijay that's coming out That's coming out in January.
Big ones, big announcements. Yes. And where's the mic now? Do you already have? Mic is coming to you, please. Yes, ma'am.
Hello, hi. This is Diksha from Filmy Gyan, and my question is to Nimrit and Jaideep sir. How does it feel to be a part of?
One word is too little here. एक word भी
Shall
बोला.
I experience it?
But it was mind blowing. Mind blowing. I've had just the best time, and as a fan of the show, to be a part of it now, the journey is just something that it's a bucket list thing, you know. To watch something and you're a fan and you love their creation, you know, the characters, they feel like your own sort of property, you know. Sometimes when you see certain actors and certain characters on screen, it feels like, you know, ab aage kya hoga, ab ye hoga, nahi hoga, and then to be a part of that story, it's really the biggest, most thrilling experience as an actor. So it feels great.
Our mic is all ready with our next person.
कि आपकी फैमिली में जब वो बच्चे आपके ग्रोन अप हो गए थे, उनको जब आपने बताया था कि आप एक एक्टर हो, तो उनका रिएक्शन क्या था?
एक ही बच्चा है। बेटी आपकी श्रीकांत तिवारी के 2 हैं। नहीं मेरी बेटी, उसको तो बचपन से पता है कि मैं एक एक्टर हूँ। तो मैं क्या बोलूँ, मतलब it's a very natural thing, but you know, for her it's very natural that I'm out for shooting. It's very natural for her that you know, that Papa goes out to make some living out of something that he really loves, and she respects it. She admires whatever she sees of me, and she's a big fan of Family Man, and she's a big fan of Sharid Hashmi more than me.
Oh, nice.
And one more question.
Please tell that किस्सा ना जो बोला था जेके के लिए, जो बेटे ने बोला था जब जेके।
हाँ, मेरी बेटी का मैं आपको बताया था, सबको पता नहीं, आपको पता है कि नहीं, पहले सीजन के बाद उसको जो है वो उसने सीरीज देखा, मैंने कहा हाउ डिड यू लाइक इट? शी सेड या इट्स वेरी गुड पापा, एंड शी डिडंट से एनीथिंग. आई मीन शी डिडंट रिकॉग्नाइज द फैक्ट दैट आई एम फैमिली मैन इन द, यू नो. And then right after one day of watching Family Man, she shouted and screamed one day and she said, Papa, Papa, come here. And I ran towards the gate, that's where she was standing. She said, Jackie is here, Papa. Jackie is here.
So cute. Thank you, Narendra, for your question.
One more question. It's for the Rajan DK sir. सर, आप राइटर भी खुद ही जाके आपने सीन ही बदल दिया इस सीजन के अंदर.
That we only write, we write and we direct. So there is
अगर डायरेक्ट करते हो जो whatever we write, वो कुछ और हो गया तो वो वैसे लिख लेते हैं.
पेपर वर्क पूरा किया है.
Hello. Yeah, this is Rajiv Vijayakar here. My question is for Raj and DK. It's been about 5 years since you...
In the center.
It's been about 5 years since you last made a film, and we really enjoyed Go Goa Gone and those kind of films, and you already also written 3. So when is the next big screen thing planned, and is it because आपको अभी series बनाने में ज़्यादा मजा आ रहा है? Style?
No, because these guys don't let us go easily. Amazon is like, you have to make Family Man, you have to make Fuzzy too, so not able to make a feature. But 2026, we have to start.
Thank you for asking that question, because I'm already asking for work. I'm standing right in the front, in the line.
Love it.
But Raj is a very diplomatic, you know, he always ready with the diplomatic answer. Of course, Manoj, you were there in our mind.
Love it. Thank you for that question.
Hi, Jaideep. Hi.
You might have to stand up for us. Thank you, if you don't mind.
Today. Firstly, congratulations to Prime Video. I mean, to have an actor play such different characters in the same year, it's a great feat. Jaideep, for you, a lot of people have been asking me that is it Hathiram in this show too? So how challenging was it to break from that image? And we saw on stage the camaraderie that you and Manoj share. Tell me about the experience of working as Nemesis on screen, why you have so much love and respect for him.
पहला सवाल तो ये ज़्यादा जिम्मेदारी इनकी बनी कि हाउ दे कैन सेपरेट हाथीराम फ्रॉम मी. The hair, everything was designed by Rajan DK sir, and I tried to fit in, and the excitement to work with the person who inspires you every day, मनोज भाई. So उनके साथ काम करना ही अपने आप में एक उनको देखना ऑन सेट कि हाँ ये इंसान तैयारी कर रहा है, वो बहुत कमाल का एक्सपीरियंस होता है. आई एम श्योर जितने एक्टर्स ने इनके साथ काम किया होगा या डायरेक्टर्स ने काम किया होगा, तो वो बहुत बड़ा इंस्पिरेशन था टू रुकमा एंड द स्टोरी इटसेल्फ. जिस तरह से लिखा गया है, जितना जितना रूथलेस, जितना बेफिक्र रुकमा है लाइफ को लेके, हाथीराम उसके आसपास भी नहीं है. वो बहुत फिक्रमंद आदमी है. तो वो बहुत एक्साइटेड चीज़ थी इस कैरेक्टर को करने के लिए. एंड दैट टीम, यू नो द शो, यू नो द आर्क ऑफ इट, यू नो द स्टाइल ऑफ इट. सो दैट हेल्प्ड अ लॉट to play Rukma in a different light. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for your question, Sana. And with that, of course,
Yeah, I
Judika?
just sorry,
Yeah, sorry.
I just wanted to take a minute to talk to my favorite actors. I just want to call Darshan up on stage. Darshan's name.